Hello, this video is to show you how to do the lower parts of the Blackbird song. As usual, I've lost my voice just before the choir videos, so please excuse the high notes and we'll see how we go. Okay, so first verse, everybody singing in unison. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. And then we have 2 bars rest, and then the second verse we're doing the harmony part. So it goes, blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Then we do the chorus. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly. And then we start the next verse. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. And now we're going to do this as an R rather than a hum. So it goes then back to the chorus. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly. And then you wait for the top part to finish their bit, and then we do the first verse again, but this time with harmony. So, blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Then the first part, do the tune, and then we do the tune. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. And that's it. So it's quite repetitive. Once you've learned the harmony part for the verse and the chorus, you should be fine. Have fun.